Hi students of class 10 and 12. Today in this video, I am going to give you 10 tips for the preparation of your forthcoming board examination. Now before coming to that, let me tell you that board exams are probably the first challenge for the students to face among the many other challenges that will be thrown at later in life. Thankfully, you have ample time to prepare for the examination. Now let us come to the tips for the students preparing for the exams. First and foremost is smart preparation. Now what do you mean by smart preparation? Plan smartly. Prepare a revision timetable and the required amount of time to each topic based on the proficiency and the vastness of the syllabus. While planning, ensure that you account for each chapter and each topic in that chapter. Coming to smart preparation, start preparing for exams in the reverse order. That is, prepare first for the last exam such that preparing for the first exam just 4 days before the date. Second tip is study textbooks thoroughly. There is very little chance of a question beyond the prescribed textbooks NCERT. Ensure that they are well versed with each concept and topic in their textbooks. Also, do not ignore diagrams, tables or graphs in the textbooks as questions can be asked on any topic from the book. Third tip is solve question papers of the past years. Studied well and being exam ready are two different things. Even if you are thorough with the content, to be exam ready, you have to solve at least 10 past years question papers to get an idea of the exam pattern and the popular questions. Solving past years question papers help you to get exam ready as majority of questions are being repeated over the years. Fourth tip is stress on important points. Memorizing certain formulae, notes and dates are essential for almost all subjects. So learn them by heart well in time before the exam. You can note down these points on flashcards so that you can carry along with you in the pocket or wallet and can read them every time when you have a moment to spare. Also, write down notes in bright color chart papers and stick them around study place or pin them onto a board in the study room. So that every time you pass by, you will take a look at the notes which will also help you in memorizing them. Fifth point is time your efforts. You should have an idea as to how much time you need to answer a particular question. And this will help you to know to concentrate on speed or accuracy. Next important point is study in a group. It is always good to study in a group, say at least once a week. This will help you to get the doubts cleared by the friends who might know how to solve a particular question. If you have left out some portion of the syllabus, you can discuss with the group and learn from them. Spending time with the friends will also help them feel refreshed. See, we all know that when we learn, only 10% what we read, 20% what we hear, 30% what we see, 50% what we see and hear, 70% what we discussed, and 95% of what we teach others. So peer teaching and peer learning is very important. Another tip is study early mornings. All of you know that early to bed, early to rise makes a man healthy, wealthy and wise. The idea is to sleep early and wake up early to stay fit and fresh. Stress on your weakness. It's not a good idea to ignore difficult topics. The board exam result is an aggregate percentage, so give equal importance to all topics. Also, take care of your health. We have noticed that a lot of students end up feeling sick due to pressure, sleep deprivation and improper food. So sleep at least 7 hours every day. Also take healthy meals. Drink a glass of milk before going to bed in case they are facing trouble getting sound sleep. Last point is do not lose your peace. Do not compare the pre-board marks with your friends who have scored more, or worrying about lacking behind in preparation is going on. Learn to concentrate on your efforts rather than others. About 8 hours of dedicated study is enough to get good marks, and spend the rest of the day doing things you like or best. Pursue a hobby. It will keep the exam pressure from getting the better. So I can conclude this video by saying, if you sweat, success is yours. Good luck and thanks.